Melania's parents are about to become the citizens, but White House still won't say if Trump's in-laws benefited from chain migration he wants banned. First Lady Melania Trump's parents are about to experience the American dream and become citizens, although the White House won't comment on how they got their status. The most likely scenario is that Victor and Amalie Geneves, both retired Slovenians, got green cards as the parents of a U.S. citizen, an experience that would not be atypical. But such a move would appear to be an example of the chain migration that President Trump has blasted and his immigration seeks to break up as an official pillar of his policy platform. What is now confirmed is that pair have become permanent U.S. residents, after having been spotted repeatedly at Mar-a-Lago, and having been written about as living at Trump Tower when Melania was living there at the start of the administration. I can confirm that Mrs. Trump's parents are both lawfully admitted to the United States as permanent residents, their lawyer, Michael Wilds, told The Washington Post. The family, as they are not part of the administration, has asked that their privacy be respected, so I will not comment further on this matter. Wilds also represents Melania Trump, and issued a letter during the campaign that outlined her own immigration status after it came under question following the publication of nude photos that for a time made it appear as if she might have done work before she had a proper visa. The photographer who took them ultimately said he had been wrong on the date, and the work conformed with her status. A person knowledgeable about their filings said the couple were awaiting their naturalization ceremony, where they will have to swear allegiance to the country and answer questions about American history and government. Trump has linked providing citizenship status to dreamers who came here illegally as children to changes in family migration as well as the diversity visa lottery. A New York immigration lawyer told the paper the other possibility is that Melania's parents got employer-sponsored visas, which seems unlikely since they are retired and don't appear to work. To become citizens, the pair must swear allegiance to the nation that became their daughter's home after she started a New York modeling career and ultimately married the man who became President of the United States. The White House last week refused to comment on the Naves' case. When Daily Mail.com asked a question about the First Lady's parents at an immigration briefing, an official refused to divulge the nature of their immigration status or respond directly to whether it could be construed as chain migration. "I'm not going to get into specific cases." "I doubt your question was well-intentioned," said the official. The White House didn't respond to the Post's request for comment on the latest revelations. After a report last week on their status, Stephanie Grisham, a spokeswoman for the First Lady, said, "I don't comment on her parents, as they live private lives and are not part of the administration." Relatives of citizens can get legal permanent status on an IR-5 visa. Relative visas go to close family members, and can be applied to spouses of a citizen, unmarried children, adopted orphans, and parents. More distant family members can also get visas under numerical limits set in law. The administration's immigration proposal states that it wants to protect the nuclear family by emphasizing close familial relationships. It therefore limits family sponsorships to spouses and minor children, and states that it is ending extended family chain migration, a priority of Trump's. Victor Naves is a former Communist Party member in the former Yugoslavia, and Amalie worked in a textile factory. Their daughter, the former Melania Noss, came here as a model, and got her green card in 2001, the letter released by Wild said during the campaign. She first came here on a tourist visa in 1996.